Hello, welcome to FordPlex channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We completed exceptionally serious research on different products available in the coming from different brands. In this video, we'll show you the 5 best product reviews. So be with us, support us and pick your perfect product from one of them. Thank you.
Number 5 eufy RoboVac 11S. Best Robot Vacuum of 2018 by Digital Trends. All new RoboVac, re-engineered to be the slimmest RoboVac 2. 85 inches but with quiet operation and increased suction power at 1300 pascals. Boostic technology automatically increases suction power within 1.5 seconds when extra vacuuming strength is needed to get the best clean. A quiet clean, vacuums for up to 100 minutes ** on hardwood floors with consistent, powerful suction at a volume no louder than an operating microwave. Premium features: anti-scratch tempered glass top cover for protection, infrared sensor for evading obstacles, and drop sensing tech to avoid falls. Automatically recharges so it's always ready to clean. What you get: RoboVac 11S, remote control, 2 AAA batteries included, charging base, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, 4 side brushes, 5 cable ties, welcome guide and our worry-free 12-month. RoboVac cleans up to 100 minutes per charge, so you get to enjoy a completely clean home from a single charge. 50 minutes of cleaning. Number 4 iLiFE A4's Robot Vacuum. Control your robot vacuum through app to check cleaning status and real-time map, customize cleaning and schedule cleaning, supports Alexa and Google Home voice commands to start and stop cleaning, also comes with a remote control. Powerful and silent robot 1800 pascals robot vacuum cleaner. High suction with digital motor ensures thorough cleaning, easily pick up soybeans, pet hair, seeds, cigarette butts, and other debris on hard floors and rugs. Super low noise. 2.9 inches ultra slim design allows it to clean under furniture, easily climb over obstacles leaving 0 dirty spots, anti-collision and anti-drop sensors to keep your furniture and robot safe. 30 days return policy and 24 months manufacturer's warranty. Notice: add special offers to cart, get 1 more free D5 kit. Operating power: 22 W. Operating voltage: 14.4 volts. Battery: 2500 mAh. Lithium-ion battery. Please choose the 2.4G network for this device, as it can only support 2.4G network. This device can only support the 802 Bulgarian levs and 11 Stotinkas mode, which doesn't support 802.11 AC mode currently. The robot might unable to detect dark black carpet, which is the general character of vacuum robots. Please find the app setup guidance in the package. I had a hard time keeping up with upright vacuum, but with this wonder. Number 3 iLiFE A4's Robot Vacuum. The Gen 3 Cyclone Power cleaning system with a strong suction provides thorough and concentrated cleaning. Adjusts to floor types, thin carpet, tile, hardwood, laminate and more. Superior battery group brings up to 140 minutes cleaning time, which makes work easily, and it also has a prolonged lifetime. Schedule your cleaning hours where the A4s will automatically start to clean, automatically returns to the charging base when power is low. Multiple smart sensors avoid bumping around or falling off stairs. The A4s even cleans under beds, along the walls and around the clutter. Dirt cannot hide. iLiFE A4's Robot Vacuum, remote control, charging dock, AC power adapter, cleaning tool, extra set of high-performance filters, extra set of side brushes, user guide and our worry-free 12-month warranty, offer our best service. Number 2 iRobot Roomba 960 Robot. Power lifting suction delivers 5x the air power * for improved pickup performance. * compared to Roomba 600 series and AeroVac system. Patented iAdapt 2.0 navigation with VS-LAM technology allows the robot to map its surroundings to clean an entire level of your home, around objects, and under furniture. Ideal for homes with pets. Premium 3-stage cleaning system cleans the dirt and pet hair you see and the allergens and dust you don't. Dual multi-surface rubber brushes adjust and flex to stay in constant contact with carpets and hard floors. High-efficiency filter traps 99% of cat and dog allergens. Automatically recharges as needed, and then continues cleaning until the job is done. Connect and schedule from anywhere. Use Alexa or Google Assistant voice commands to control cleaning. Use the iRobot Home app to schedule and monitor cleaning sessions. The Roomba 960 robot vacuum seamlessly navigates room to clean an entire level of your home, recharging and resuming until the job is done. Roomba 960 loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt with up to 5x more air power and requires less maintenance. Just press clean or schedule Roomba on the go with the iRobot Home app. Roomba does not live up to expectations, and the major benefit of paying for the 900 series does not in fact work reliably. Let me start by saying I was a very happy Roomba user for months. It worked flawlessly. Then iRobot flashed the firmware and obviously made significant changes to the logic handling charging. Prior to this update, my Roomba would return to home base to recharge with about 5% of the battery remaining, and it reliably made it to the charger, recharged the battery completely, and continued the job. During a normal cleaning cycle in my house, the Roomba would return and fully recharge the battery twice. This would result in a total job time of around 5.5 hours, and a report showing about 2,200 square feet cleaned. Immediately following the update, the Roomba would wait until approximately 1% remaining batter prior to returning, so about half the time it wouldn't make it to the recharger. If this happens, the job cancels, you have to manually put it on the charge, wait until it's charged, and restart the job. If it did by chance make it to the charger, it would only charge the battery halfway before restarting. This means that it would then return to the charger in half the time. Now it would take 5 or 6 trips back to the charger to actually complete the job. It almost never made it through the whole job, as it would run up against the depleted battery, die before making it to the charger, and cancel the job. I bought 2 new replacement batteries, and the problem remained. I initiated a support request. Suddenly, after dealing with the charging issue, the Roomba started having more issues, like going in a circle or returning to the charger immediately. Support first sent me a replacement wheel, which did not help, then decided to send me a new Roomba. So they shipped me another new 980, and a new 980 battery. The new Roomba ran great, finished a job, I was happy again. Oops. Number 1 Neato Robotics D4. Navigates with lasers. Genius. LaserSmart technology scans and maps your entire house, cleaning in straight lines instead of a random pattern. It even lets the robot see in the dark out of bounds for robots. Set up virtual no-go lines that tell your robot where not to go, so it avoids things like pet bowls and piles of toys. Dustbin capacity, 0.7 liters. You've got dirt cornered. With its unique D-shaped design, the Neato RoboTvac D4 finds dirt where it hides, in corners and along walls. It gets into spaces those round robots can't. More power to you. Now get up to 75 minutes of battery life *, perfect for homes and apartments. And enjoy 25% longer run times than before, ***, evolves with your home. Your robot should keep up with you, and keep getting better over time. That's why we send regular software updates to deliver new features right over the air. Note, troubleshooting steps are available on page 19 in the user manual. Everyone deserves an intelligent robot. That's why there's the new Neato RoboTvac D4 Connected, which brings features from our advanced robots and makes them available to all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our FordPlex channel, leave a comment below which one do you like. Also, check out these cool videos and buying guide.